This is JR from R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck number 4096. It is in like new condition. Mileage is under 200. The chassis is a new 2021 Ford E450 with 158-inch wheelbase. It is 2-wheel drive. Engine is a 7.3 liter V8 gasoline. Overall length is 263 inches. Overall height is 106 inches. And the headroom is 72. It is a Medtec. It has new paint, new rotary latches, new paddle latches, new gaskets, new wheel siren and speakers, new wheel LEDs, inside and out. It has a new trip light inverter and charger, a new heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. The chassis is a new 2021 Ford E450 with 158-inch wheelbase. The body configuration is L1 left front oxygen. It also has a lift assist with remote control to elevate and descend the oxygen bracket. Universal bracket. L number 2 has double doors. It houses the inverter, has an adjustable shelf. It also has a lockable waste and sharps container. It also has a pre-wire for the control module for the ultraviolet disinfectant system inside. L number 3 is a tall left rear compartment. It has 2 adjustable shelves. It has new aluminum diamond plate package, new rub rails, new flip up rear step. The load height is 31 1/4 inch, and that's before any cargo or payload is added. It has a flip up rear step as mentioned. It has a Furno inline cot mount. Interior configuration is left side attendant seat with forward and aft action areas, storage behind and above. New upholstery throughout. It also has a locking compartment above the power distribution quarters with a push button lock. The power distribution quarters is behind the attendant seat. Radio pre-wire, antenna pre-wire. It is a walkthrough configuration, type 3. It has a new front console, new panel, new LED switches, storage for beverages, place to mount radios, and also a rear shelf for additional radios. Has a right front, inside, outside access, advanced life support cabinet with adjustable shelves. Has a glove compartment storage, storage above the squad bench, storage beneath the squad bench as well. R number 3 is the backboard compartment. It has a small adjacent compartment for additional storage. The unit has 2 batteries, one under hood and one in the slide out tray. A third could be added if desired. And R number 1, the ALS cabinet inside and outside access. If you have questions or would like more information on truck number 4096, please call 1-833-REMOUNT, REMOUNT, or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.